What to do when you got power, but your car won't turn on. So everything's connected. The negative, positive. I'm getting power, but it's not wanting to crank. Starter's good. Alternator's good. The problem is where you see those two pennies right there. That engages the clutch right there. And there's another one also up there, and I also put another penny. Without those little, there's a little rubber thing that fell off, that when it breaks, it doesn't let the car start. So you have to put something in there to block it. That way, when you put the clutch in, it'll start. Thank you for watching.